Hi guys, welcome to another Bluetooth connections. I'm going to be connecting to a Vauxhall Opel. So Bluetooth is on. Okay, make sure your Bluetooth's on. Now we're going to try the quickest way that generally is. You click the phone there. It now says connect phone, and no phone connected. Clicking phone doesn't automatically come into any settings. I've clicked the Bluetooth connection. We've got a list of phones here come up now. I search. It's now looking. It's not found my phone yet. What you can do is go pair the new device, and I've got BT Vauxhall come up, so I'm going to click that. It's got a number. The display here has said, does your phone want to connect to the system? Accept. I press yes. I press yes. I press pair. So you basically do them all. It's automatically selecting phone and streaming, and you can have mobile internet data if you want. I'm now choosing allow on my phone, which was for contacts, so I can potentially phone people directly from here, and it hasn't. So there, my phone is selected. It's got a, yeah, I'll disconnect. I don't want disconnecting. Right, connecting again. So now you can select which phone you want. It's now connected, or I can select contacts and they come up. So that's how you do it. Pretty simple.